In today's video, we show you some things about the Disney Fantasy laundry rooms. I check out the Satellite Falls area. We also watch the port pilot get off the Disney Fantasy and back onto the pilot boat. And we give you some tips about riding the AquaDuck on a day when we are at port. Hi from the laundry room. It's very frustrating. The Wish has a much better laundry room. First of all, let me show you. We're on the 7th floor, and these are very small. So when we came in during the day, they were always being used. So we finally found, like Pirate Night, they were open. So we used them. But here's the tricky thing. So you come over here, and you touch your magic band to that thing. But you have to do it like 500 times before it actually recognizes it. So don't give up. You might think it's not working. Keep trying. Just keep trying. Finally, it'll work and you can buy stuff, okay? Then you come over here, and this is the washing machine. It's really confusing. So, first of all, you put detergent in here, right? And then, over here, you're gonna press the number that matches with what you want, right? But then, you close the door, right, honey? And then you need to press. And do you wait? You press the start button for like, don't you hold it in? You hold the start button for a few seconds and then it'll lock, okay? But then make sure you still press, like we had to press start again for it to actually start. Make sure the water's running, okay? Then it's gonna go off. Then you're gonna do the dryer, okay? When you do the dryer, you do the same. Oh, and then when you want to open up the washing machine, you have to hold this button for like 6 seconds. This is the button. There's no, you're like, which button do they mean? This one on the right. And then it'll unlock. Then you go up to the dryer and be prepared to do it multiple times because we just did it.
Because we didn't clean it, sorry.
I don't know. Should we? It's not that bad.
Clean out the filter?
Maybe, it doesn't look that bad. But basically, we've done it twice, and our clothes are just like still kind of damp. So we're.
These are very damp. You need to feel these.
Oh gosh, but like we're locked out of our room without our magic band, so we're like, oh well, we're just gonna have damp clothes. Maybe we can kind of spread them out and they'll dry. Anyways, these washers and dryers don't work that well, and they're kind of hard to use. But
they're falling apart. I mean,
yeah, they're falling apart. They're like taped together. Like
so, I've never had problems in our other cruises with these machines. I've always, they've always worked fine. Like they were a little bit confusing, but they worked.
Right.
And now they're just not working.
Yeah, and there's a bunch. Like this one's under repair.
I mean, we did put a lot of clothes in, right?
Yeah, but like it wasn't that we split it up and we did 3. I don't know. And then you can buy detergent and then you redeem it here. I think it was like $21 or something for us to get 3 wash and dries and detergent because I didn't remember to bring detergent. Anyways, it's just, this is like really wet. So, anyways, have fun using the dryers. It's okay, but it's not great. Just carrying the laundry. Thank you.
It's so heavy.
Good morning. It's a sea day. And no, it's not really a sea day. It's Jamaica Day, but it feels like a sea day. And everybody slept in till 9. Cabanas closes at 10, so we had to get here for breakfast. And Miles came, but he's already back to the room. He already ate. And then me and Richard are finishing up. And then, of course, we have James's plate of donuts and bacon. But we literally have nothing planned today except I want to see The Magician tonight for the show after dinner. So, I think the boys are probably going to be hanging out with friends and going to Edge. And then I might go in the adults area and read a little bit. Maybe we'll go to the pool deck some. I don't know. But I think it'll be pretty relaxing. Right now it's kind of hot on the balcony because like we're right in the sun, and so I'm not gonna go out there right now. I need to find some shade if I'm gonna go outside. It's pretty hot, but yeah, hopefully a nice relaxing day.
Look at our laundry still drying with all the wet clothes from yesterday. So pretty. So hopefully they're getting close. Thank goodness. Yay! Thank you. That looks really good. This looks awesome. Honey, is that the pilot boat right there? Yeah. Is he gonna go right under us? Oh, he's got a pirate hat on. That's pretty funny. Yes, he is. Yeah. So is that the pilot getting off now? There he is.
So we had the most relaxing day.
Yeah, you took 2 naps.
I took 2 naps.
2
And-
20-minute naps.
Yeah, they weren't like crazy long.
Yeah,
But
I just sat in the room and read.
yeah, Richard read for the first time. And I read, mine was exciting because I went to the Satellite Falls. And I got to go to the adult area. And they have really cushiony beach chairs. So I like the cushions. And then Richard brought me my lunch. And yeah, so it was really nice. The boys like kind of hung out with their friends a lot and went to Edge. And
We didn't see the boys very much at all the whole day.
yeah, so really like not much on that we did today. And then we went and got our afternoon coffee, which we like to do around like after 4 o'clock. And then we just have dinner coming up. We actually need to get back to the room and change. And I'm excited because tonight, we haven't seen the kids a lot today. So after dinner, I want to go do Mouseketeer Madness.
Donald Duck is playing shuffleboard
Oh
right now.
my gosh, hold on.
Donald Duck just came out
Oh my gosh.
and took over a game of shuffleboard.
That is so funny. I bet he's really good at it. Oh gosh. It was so funny. Yay! That's cute. They have a lot of characters roaming around the ship. So yeah, and then we've got the magician tonight, so that'll be fun. And we'll just kind of hang out with the boys, and then James, okay, so I thought this was interesting. I thought the AquaDuck would have a really low wait today, but it really didn't. Like, it was only open at 1, so check the hours. I thought, oh, we're at port, but they didn't open it till 1. And then at 1 o'clock, when they opened it, I think everybody had been waiting, so they were like all lined up, and it's been a pretty long line. So I really think the key to the AquaDuck is doing it at night. So I think after the magician show, we'll do it tonight, like between 9:15 and 10 before it closes. But one interesting thing is you have to be careful with the AquaDuck. Sometimes you have to have 2 people because they don't let you if it's windy. And the problem is if you're moving, which is, at night you're usually moving, then it is going to need 2 people. So just be aware of that. Because we usually go at night, and then you usually need 2 people once it starts moving. Okay. All right, let's go to dinner.
Can I put my foot in there?
Love the crab. And James already ate his chocolate.
I love you guys.
He messed it up.
Just ready to spell you have to speak from your heart's fire. And what? Heart's fire. You must speak with passion. Don't hold me. I love you all. No, aloft.